Hello guys, how you all doing? So today is another day of an install vlog because we're going for another installation today. And the client wants a power need for one AC, his TV, lighting points, and fridge. The fridge. So we went with the 5kVA inverter, 5 kilowatt lithium battery, and 6 pieces of 650 watts Jinko panels. It's a rainy day, but even rain is not going to stop us today. So we had to load the panels and every other thing, the inverters and battery, lithium battery, into the small bus that we are using to go to the location of installation. We are having some trainees with us today to participate in the field work. After some minutes, we got to the place, no stress. Offloaded everything. And the client was very happy to see us because even with the rain, he thought that maybe we would postpone. But so guys, we are at the location now. So the next thing now is to hang the panels, which that's always the first thing, at least for me, to hang the panel. So that's what we're gonna do now. After confirming the best position of the roof where sun would be able to touch the panel 247, I got to work and I had to mount the profile with my flash band in order to avoid rain from seeping into the building. Yeah, even the client was afraid that he might do something and rain will start getting into the house. But we assured him that he knew what we were doing. And if I might add, the zinc is very old. Even the client too said it, and but he doesn't have enough money to start changing zinc now. Therefore, you just have to manage it. But we assured him that he's in a good hands. I took off my shoes to do this one because the weather was cloudy and the rain would always start dropping. So the zinc was very wet. So for a maximum grip of the zinc, I had to remove my shoes. It didn't take long. Once I was done with the profile jobs, we started bringing up the panels, and as we were bringing it up, I was connecting at the same time. So that we won't be doing two and fro job. Later finished it. This is the last one that we're about to put now.
See what we go through for our customers. Chai, we love our customers so much. We sacrifice blood and sweat. Let me small thing. I'm under the anointing.
You don't know the pain you
Anointing to
feel
bring lights.
when you miss a nail and then hit the hammer on your hand. That is what
We're
I'm
about to take the
experiencing
last
here.
panel up now.
So guys, I'm done with the hanging of the panel and the connections. My guy was busy with the trainees hanging the inverter, the battery inside the house, and then doing the inside house wiring. Hi guys, so we have done with the installation. The system is on now. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do that now. So the system is powering the house, the TV, the AC, fridge. That's in the parlor there. Yeah. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.